It's a scratch and sniff book.
No, it's not.
No. Does it smell like boogies? I'm so nervous. Stales?
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Burgery smell maybe?
It says, maybe a lie, see inside, so maybe I was just scratching and sniffing the book cover. Got me. Hi everyone! Hello! This is Boxes of Books!
Part 2!
I am so excited to be here today. I have not stopped thinking about these boxes of books.
We've been counting down the days, folks, and here it is. If you're ready, we're ready. Get ready. She's gonna unbox, because I don't, sharp objects, no. Drum roll!
Okay.
Action! Well,
Away.
Well, away from your body. Remember? Maybe we should do the drum roll now, because I feel like it's a little bit more poignant.
What?
Ready? Ta-da! Whoa! Ooh!
Right on top. Here we go.
Ta-da! We love these.
Yes, we do.
totally love these. We got a couple new ones last time. These are the audiobooks that everyone is just talking about. They're talking about it everywhere they go. There's a whole book in this nice little container here. You push the red buttons, away you go into a wonderful novel. This one is called The Miscalculations of Lightning Girl, and it's read by Anna Isabel Stacy McNulty. We love it. What do you got?
All right, I have a best-selling author, Suzanne Selfors, WEDGIE, and GIZMO versus the TOOF.
The TOOF.
There you go.
The TOOF. All right, 2 new
Awesome.
audiobooks. They'll be flying off the shelves before you know it. Wait patiently. They'll get checked back in.
Okay, so it looks like we have a couple of chapter books. So this one I'm going to grab that really caught my eye first. And I love these historical books. So it says, Too Young to Escape, a Vietnamese Girl Waits to be Reunited with Her Family by Van Ho and Marcia Forshuk Skypoosh.
Wow. Okay. So this is a biography, I'm sure.
It says, one day they will send for her, but how long must Van Ho wait for her family to find a way to get her out of the South Vietnam?
Oh,
okay.
Powerful, you guys.
Yeah, absolutely.
Life lessons to be learned in that one, I'm sure. Well, you know, I'm going to pick this one because this is just right up my second grader's alley. Here we go. The Stinky Truth by Joe Berger. Dun, dun, dun. It says it's school break and Sam Little has big plans. Then Mom gives him a challenge. Whoa, I can't wait to read this out. Is he picking his nose?
Scratch and sniff.
It's a scratch and sniff book?
No, it's not.
No. Does it smell like boogies?
I want you to scratch and sniff it and tell me what it
Wait,
smells.
where?
Right there.
Right here?
Yeah, right there.
Scratch and sniff here.
That is
I'm
so
so nervous.
I love scratch and sniff stickers.
I'm not loving it. I'm not loving it, but you guys might. It might be your favorite smell. It's like a stale,
Oh my gosh, you guys.
burgery smell maybe?
It says, maybe a lie, see inside, so maybe I was just scratching and sniffing the book cover. Got me.
Joke's on us.
Okay.
Okay.
The next one
Ooh.
is Mango's Mischief and Tales of Friendship, Stories from India by Chitra Soundar.
You did well on
Okay.
that.
Illustrated
Good
by
job.
Uma Krishnawamy.
I like how you just went for it. You
Yeah.
sounded those words out.
I
It
think
was
you have to have some grace
outstanding.
sometimes.
Lots
So
of
I
grace.
like this because it's a lot of other tales from a different country, kind of like as if it was like Mother Goose or the tales of the Grimm brothers, things
Yeah.
like that. So it's just a little bit more of a diverse twist.
I'm going off the top again. Here I go. Ready to read The Adventures of Zip Poofabot. New readers start here. Okay, so what do we got? Kindergartners, first graders, new readers. This is for you. An adventure book with this cute little robot. I didn't read the author. Let's see. The author's David Milgrim. Ooh.
The next book is from the Carver Chronicles, Pizza Party by Karen English, illustrated by Laura Freeman.
Basketball players, this one's for you. Maybe it's like a Dear Diary kind of sort of book, it looks like. The kids are into that these days. Dear Diary, pizza, and basketball. I mean, what more could you want?
What a great blend.
Oh, but I'm going to dig this out now because I saw this. Oh.
That seems kind of scary. I've never done this, but.
How to give your cat a bath in 5 easy steps.
Easy steps.
Easy. Cut their claws first. I don't know. Nicola Winstanley is the author, and John Martz. Maybe John's an author, maybe he's an illustrator. It doesn't say. Wait a minute. I was thinking this is about the cat, but maybe it's about it's from the perspective of the flea. Bum, bum, bum.
We'll have to read it to find out.
Read it to find out. Can't wait.
Secrets of Top Sea, The Extremely High Tide. Kerr Fox and M. Shelley Coates, illustrated by Rachel Sanson.
That's a narwhal. Kids are into narwhals now.
Yes.
Even grown-ups. They put narwhals on everything these days. Back in the day, I used to think they were a fictional character. Turns out, folks, they're real.
It's the Under the Sea unicorn.
Yeah, they're real. They're really real. This is a heavy lifter right here. I mean, this now, you have to be a skilled reader to read this. Wundersmith, The Calling of Morgan Crow. Written by Jessica Townsend. Now, this looks pretty imaginative to me here.
Yeah.
Like going on a grand adventure. Mm-hmm. Let your imagination take flight on this one, everyone.
Kind of reminds me of like a mix of Harry Potter, Zootopia. Oh my goodness. Okay, this next book.
This is a good one.
Click, Clack, Peep.
Yes, we love this one, guys.
So there's another one. It's Click, Clack, Moo.
Yes, it is.
And this is like an all-time kids favorite. So this is just another one of probably going to be another classic that you must read to your kids. So
read aloud
check
time, everyone.
This one out.
I can't wait to read it. I sort of want to read it now.
Okay.
Good one. Good find. Good find. I'm going to do this one because I like picture books so much.
That one looks good too.
You know, I teach second grade and we love those still. William wakes up. What does William do when he wakes up? Looks like a grand adventure. Here's the back. I'm wondering. I don't know. The words are by Linda Ashman and the pictures are by Chuck Cronin. I like that name. Very creative. Wonder what he'll do. I'm going to peek. I don't know. I can't wait. Oh, it's an adventure. Okay, you're going to love it.
I keep getting these ones, but the big game.
Whoop, whoop.
All right.
Football
Who's ready for some football?
I suppose, sort of. Sometimes.
So this is from the New York Best Times selling author.
Best Times.
The New York Times best-selling author, Tim Greene. Sometimes you need to pave your own path. Isn't that so right?
That's a great life lesson.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Is it my turn?
Yes.
Well, wait, I might not have wanted to pick that one. Now, let me just...
I'm a little book app.
Actually, you know, I kind of do want to pick this one because I have kids in my class that are going to really like this.
It's a good one.
Knights versus Dinosaurs by Matt Phelan? By Matt Phelan. I feel good about that. Matt Phelan. Glorious mashing and bashing. Suspenseful and silly. Oh, yes, a page turner. This has my classroom's name all over it.
Now, this is interesting because when I think of knights in shining armors, I think of dragons, not necessarily dinosaurs. So
there's a twist here.
Yeah, definitely.
Unexpected twist. I love it. Can't wait. This is more your style. You're getting to know our personalities a lot because I'm like dinosaurs and picture books and you're like thoughtful, provoking.
Nice. Struttin' with some barbecue.
Barbecue.
Lil Hardin Armstrong becomes the first lady of jazz. Patricia Hruby Powell, illustrated by Rachel Himes.
Biography. Do you think? I think it's about her life.
It says, dang, Lil and Lois were musical royalty, inventing a new kind of sound, making jazz. Believe it, baby.
Oh, I can hear the voice in that one. I can hear that character ringing through. Okay, well, this is just peculiar and interesting, and I have chickens in my backyard, and here's a book with a chicken on it.
I love chickens too.
The Hen Who Sailed Around the World, and you guys.
This sounds like some other character I know.
A true story. It's a true story. I'm not going to say the name right, but I'm going to try by Girick Sodé? Mm-hmm. I think I did okay on that. Guys, this is a true story of a man who traveled by boat around the world with not only his pet dog, but his pet chicken.
There's some real pictures there.
Real pictures.
So this also reminds me of the chicken Hey Hey from Moana. I wonder if it's related. That chicken also sailed, guys.
You made a brilliant connection there. My brain didn't even think that. Hey, hey. I want to keep it forever.
Okay, so I'm going to grab this
Oh,
one.
you're digging deep.
I am.
Ooh.
Now, I don't know if you guys have heard, but in Washington we just had
Snowmageddon.
Okay, so it says snowman minus cold equals puddle. And there's been a lot of
Puddles.
snowman minus cold equals puddles.
Yes,
here
it's
right
happening
now.
daily.
So it's spring equations though, guys. This is so cool because it is going to...
Wait, it's a math book?
It's a
book with
picture
math
book.
in it?
Yeah. Poetry plus math plus science equals a new way of looking at spring. This is
I have
just
goosebumps. Literally. I wish I could
amazing,
zoom in.
guys. Amazing. You can read to your kids about math and they don't even know you're reading about math. And poetry. And
I get
science.
it first. I dibs.
Amazing.
I call dibs.
All right.
Okay. We're getting down a little bit to, we're like digging in now. It's getting to the bottom. It's true. Inkling.
I have an inkling of what it might be about.
You do? Because I don't. It looks great though, by Kenneth Opel, maybe? This is a pretty substantial book, guys. So you heavy readers, you ones that just love to dig in, I think this book is right for you. I have no clue what it could be about, but I think it's about ink.
Me too.
Ink. Definitely about ink.
Yeah. It's about how, like, probably you can, like...
Wait, it's a book with pictures! There's pictures. It's a chapter.
It's a graphic novel?
I don't think it's a... No, could it be considered I don't know. We'd have to ask the experts. But there are some dandy pictures in here to keep your imagination and your interest alive. Look at that. Ooh.
Okay.
Okay, which one are you doing?
Okay, I'm going to do this one. Ode to an Onion by Pablo Neruda and his muse.
Muse. Do you think his muse is the onion?
The story is by Alexandria Giardino.
Yeah. Good.
Pictures by Felicita
Yeah.
Sala.
Wow, we did good on that.
And I think this is going to be awesome. A lot of people don't like onions.
True.
They think they smell. They
True.
make people cry.
True.
Let's see what's good about onions. Also,
The layers. Peel the layers back. That's what's good.
I like that. Nice.
Beautiful.
We're reading Holes right now too, and there's a character in there that sells onions, and he says that it's like the cure to everything, and the kids just love it.
So they're eating onions now. Good for them. Heart healthy. Heart
Eat
healthy.
vegetables, kid.
Okay, which one? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 maybe? What's this? Could it be? Could it be CRAVE-WORTHY Candy Confections with a Side of Science?
Oh my
by
gosh.
M.M. Ebach. Yes, please. Who doesn't love a little sugar in their life? Especially when you can do science, guys.
Science has never been so sweet, guys.
Yes. Yes, here it is. Here it is. You could check this book out, shop for the ingredients, go home, read, and do science.
And have family time.
Family time is important.
Yeah.
Okay.
And have a little treat.
Wait a minute. Now I've heard in strawberries with chocolate, but not raspberries in chocolate.
I wonder what kind of science that is.
That's delicious science is what that is. That's the science I like.
Okay.
Oh, this is lovely.
This is What is Given from the Heart by Patricia C. McKissick and April Harrison. Seeing little Sarah happy made me happy too.
That's the truth of it, huh? When
Yeah.
you give happiness, you get it right back.
Absolutely.
Makes the world a better place.
Love it.
Okay, I'm doing this one because I can't see the front. I can only see the back, and the back says, not too hot, not too cold, but just right. Ooh.
Searching for the Goldilocks planet. I thought that that's what it was when she said not too hot, not too cold, but just right. I immediately thought of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. So
that makes sense, and I didn't do that at all, but I'm glad you were here. I think that's fantastic. Who is the author? Curtis Manley, and illustrated by Jessica Land, about outer space, you guys. And a bright young lady, it looks like. It stars, the main character is a nice young lady, so that's exciting.
Get it? Stars,
girls,
the new character.
Girls, science, science and girls, they go together.
It's a nice pun for you.
It's true.
You guys got. This one is The Bell Ring by James E. Ransom.
Ooh,
and this
beautiful.
reminds me, okay, the bell ring. I'm seeing that they're on a countryside. I'm thinking of the dinner bell.
Ding, ding, ding.
Dinner's ready. So I'm sure they're going on adventures in the country.
Running home for dinner.
Yeah.
Or supper, maybe.
Yeah.
Supper, dinner. Definitely, I'm going to say
depending
supper.
on the context, right?
Oh my gosh, there is only, oh look, wait, we got those stickers. Did we get those stickers? Oh, they didn't send us the shine. Oh!
She found the stickers.
The stickers are here again. We're going to put these on the books, you guys, so you know which ones came from the box, right?
Yes.
Look for the golden sticker. Look. Fancy. Okay, is it my turn to read a book?
Yes.
I'm going to read this. Well, wait. There's 2 left. It's 2 left, folks, and then you have to wait until January, February, March, April?
Oh.
That seems so far away. Okay, which one? I'm doing this one. Super potatoes. Number 2, Galactic Breakout by author. Sounding it out. La Perla? Yeah. Oh, you guys, silly fun is about to go on with Super Potato. All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you sad?
I am sad,
I'm
actually.
kind of sad.
I can't wait to read these, though.
Here we go. Let's get it.
Here we go. Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bam!
Mac B, Kid Spy. The Impossible Crime by Mac Barnett, illustrated by Mac Lowry.
A lot of Mac in there. A lot of Mac action. A spy, a kid spy. I know we have kids in our building that like to do spy activities.
Says, my name is Mac Barnett. I'm an author. But before I was an author, I was a kid.
Oh.
I was a spy. This time, a new enemy is after the crown jewels. Have you ever been locked inside the Tower of London, or faced down a killer cobra,
No.
or tried to stay up
No.
all night and then fallen asleep really early? I have.
I have not.
Open this book to find out more about my adventures, but beware. This mission is top secret and very dangerous.
Danger! That
Spy.
book is not for me, but it's for one of you. I like lovey books. Okay, well, we have an empty box, my friends. We are so glad you joined us again for part 2, and we'll count down the days.
I can't wait to get my hands on these books and read it to my kids and everything else. So,
All
until
right.
next time,
Bye-bye.
bye.